and organizing is a practice, not a project. Hello everyone, welcome back. So today's video is going to be about how to organize t-shirts and shorts of kids below 12 years. So we are going to see one method in which I have used a product that is available online, and that product is mainly used for organizing innerwears. So the product is sold online as a product for innerwears, but today I'm going to show you how we can organize our kids' shorts and t-shirts using that product. This is the product that we are going to use, and as you can see, it has got this bigger space here and this slots. These are 5 in each row, so there are 15 slots here. That means it can take around 15 shorts of your kids, and this area we are going to use to organize the t-shirts. So let us see how to organize t-shirts and shorts in this. So today I'm going to organize my son's clothes in this. So my son is here to help me organize his clothes, and let me tell you that he maintains his own cupboard. So that's it's very important that the child should help you organize their cupboard, and so that they can maintain their own clothes. So let us see how to organize shorts and t-shirts in this. Yash, take your shorts. Okay, so I will show how to fold your short. So you fold it in half, okay, then you can fold this and just you can roll it. Okay, so this is the fold that you can do, and you can just place it in this. Okay, so you can take that green short. Yeah, now you try. Yeah, fold it in half. Okay, you could have folded one more time, so just fold again. No, this can come here. Okay, and now roll. Yes, so okay, so this is how you can fold your shorts and put it in that. Just roll and it goes. Okay, now let us see how we can organize the t-shirt. So what we are going to do is fold your t-shirt, hold it here into half, then put the sleeves in, then you fold it again, and this is the fold that you're going to have. Okay, now take your other t-shirts and start folding. Okay, yes, and fold and place it here. Place it on top of this. Take your other t-shirts. Okay, start folding your t-shirts and stack them here first. Okay, very good. So this is how you can fold your t-shirts, and now what we are going to do is you will place it here. That is vertical placement. Okay, so start putting all your clothes here. Okay, so This is how we can organize the t-shirts and the shorts. So this is how it will look after getting organized. This is looking perfect, but let me tell you that this is not going to look perfect after few days, because this will be maintained by my son, and I know that he will not be able to maintain this the way it is been put. But I always encourage them to maintain their own cupboard. No matter how it looks, it has to be maintained by them. And I know that slowly he is going to learn to maintain his own cupboard, because I can tell you this from my own experience. As my elder son, he has been maintaining his own cupboard for many years now. So whatever method we choose for organizing, the most important thing is that it has to be maintained by them, and it has to be easy for them to maintain. The goal is not to have a perfect looking cupboard. The goal is to have a cupboard that is maintained by the kid himself. We have to make them independent and not dependent on us. So, girls, start delegating your work to them for simplifying your life. If you have liked my video, please do not forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.